Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying physical connections and device selection so you can record immediately. If your earphones use 3.5 mm TRRS, plug into the combined jack. If separate, use an adapter or the microphone jack. Once plugged, open sound settings and choose the earphone mic as default device. Make sure input level meters move when you speak. This confirms hardware is recognized. Adjust basic input volume to about 50–70% so you don't clip. Now you're ready for software configuration. Next, you configure the PC so the mic captures clear audio. In Sound Control Panel, set the sample rate to 44. 1 or 48 kHz for general use. Higher rates add file size without practical benefit. If levels are low, enable 1020 dB mic boost, but monitor to avoid distortion. Open your recording app, select the earphone mic as input, and set buffer/latency to a moderate value for stability. Do a short test take, listen back, and tweak gain until peaks sit around -12 to -6 dB. Now you finish by recording your final takes with confidence. Position the mic close enough for clarity, then record multiple short passes so you can pick the best phrases. Save originals as WAV, then export a high bitrate MP3 for distribution. Do light edits, trim silences, normalize levels, and apply gentle noise reduction only where needed. If you encounter no input, check the jack seating, update or reinstall audio drivers, and verify privacy settings. Allow apps to access the microphone. That single check often fixes silent captures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.